We're very excited to be at Busch Gardens. Very.
Idiot. We've arrived at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. It's about 20 minutes before opening. And it's the Monday after Easter, so there's a lot of people here. Schools are out, the crowds are in abundance. It's gonna be a Bush-tastic day. We're here at Busch Gardens for rope dropping, waiting to get in. Excited, man?
No.
Why not?
I'm waiting in line. I thought there'd be no line.
Grumpy. The park has opened and we are on our way in. It was crowded out front, but here in the Morocco Pavilion and the Adventure Post, it's pretty empty. Where should we go? Let's see. The train station, cheetah hunt, the overlook. Ooh, safari of fun. Jungala. Where are we heading? Bro, they have Moroccan Delights ice cream.
They sure do.
Is that better than Retro Vibes
Nothing
ice
is better
cream?
than Retro Vibes ice cream.
What's up, buddy? You got a nut? We're arriving at Penguin Point. I love penguins. Where are you, penguins? They're missing. There's no penguins. What a ripoff. Oh, this is cool. Look at this topiary. It's a mad dog. It's Braun Breaker. The dogs are barking. Sometimes in life, you just have to ask yourself, are you taller than a penguin? Shh. They're breathing. We're heading into the Animal Connections, where we can maybe meet some animal ambassadors. We got this nice shady cave. A good theme park is never complete without a good shady cave. They have a screaming hairy armadillo. Oh. Hey, what's up, buddy? You aren't screaming yet. What would you be screaming about? Aw, here's a cute little porcupine. Scratching himself. What's up, porcupine?
Okay, you need to do this right now. I'm like, what? It's not really the right time to be doing this.
I'm used to only seeing these things in people's front yards. I didn't realize they were real. Oh, I see a train. If we see a train, you know we have to ride. Let's check it out. The Serengeti Express at the Nairobi train station. Let's give it a ride. Went the wrong way. Classic Nick. Going the wrong way for the train. We got to go towards the caboose, you know? You got to caboose it up a little bit.
You got to about the caboose.
The caboose.
I'm sitting right here.
Okay, I'll sit here.
Alrighty folks, if you are looking to the left-hand side of the train, you'll notice those brownish animals with the black and white markings. The Thompson gazelles down there in the hills, and if you're looking to the right-hand side of the train, that exhibit is for our African elevator roller coaster that will take you up face to face with the 80-foot statue of Venomous, the Snake King. Upon initial drop at the top of the hill, you'll travel around on this track up to a speed of 45 miles per hour, where you'll be treated to a vast series of sudden sweeping turns, transitioning into an intense backward section, placing you into a free-spinning finale. It is one of the two coasters, it's the one and only Montu. Montu is named after an Egyptian god of war that's pictured as a man with a falcon's head. The Montu is consistently ranked as one of the top harness dangling down below. And upon the initial drop at the top of the hill, you'll travel around on its track up to a speed of 65 miles per hour. And you're out here in the wide open plains during the day. As a friendly reminder, folks, if you look up on the hill beyond the palm trees, you'll notice two different animals out there. Those whitish tannish animals with the twisty curly antlers. Those are the 8-axe antelope, some of the rarest and most endangered animals that we currently have here. This can reach up to at least 18 feet in length. And as you can imagine on the left-hand side of the train, you'll notice another familiar tannish of the animal with the black and white markings. They look very identical to the Thompson gazelles back in Nairobi. These here are the size compared to the Thompson gazelles, and they're also the sable antelope. Sable antelope are an interesting type of species of antelope. They are a female-led. On the left-hand side of the train off in the distance, you'll notice some zebras out there. The zebras here on the north side of the belt are called the great zebras.
That's a big bird. Oh no, we're heading into a scary tunnel.
It is our one and only family-friendly steel inverted roller coaster model, very similar after Montu, except it doesn't have wheels. Our train is now passing through the Congo Jungala section of our park, and if you look over to the right, not too far away from the Chick-fil-A is Market Shoe. At this time, folks, please remain seated.
All right, we're approaching Stanleyville. Time to hop off the train and explore what else awaits us on this adventurous day. All right, we're here at the Smokehouse Mobile Order Pickup, bro. Which log is yours?
I ordered this one.
You ordered the cedar?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I ordered. It smells good. Oh man, all right. I ordered this one. Stanley River Falls. Are you ready to ride? How tall is this one, bud?
43 feet. That's what all rides should be. Very family friendly. You know, as I go on this ride, you gotta realize one thing, folks. You don't face your fears. You're riding.
And if you feel it, I said if you feel it, stay safe. Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Rope dropping the park, and now rope dropping the Stanley Falls Log Ride. Dude, imagine if this was all full. That would be a lot of waiting. Time to board. Here we are on the flume. All right. Yep. Ah! Ah! You got wet, huh? Oh, dude, you're soaked. You're soaked, bro.
You know what though? My socks aren't soaked.
That's good.
That's the important thing.
That's good. I'm pretty sure I watched these guys on Disney Channel growing up, and now they're doing shows at Busch Gardens. This rock looks like a tiger. This rock looks like an orangutan.
Look, this rock looks like a tiger,
I-
and it's next to some wood. Tiger wood. Tiger woods.
The landscaping at this park is beautiful. Reminds me a lot of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Oh wow, they have a Chick-fil-A here too.
This park is better than any Disney park.
No, take that back. You know that's a lie.
It is not lying.
Dude, we've been here like 20 minutes. You've ridden 2
I'll even
rides.
say this. Six Flags America is better than any Disney park.
Off to Congo River Rapids. One of our favorite theme park traditions is trolling people on rapids rides. And now we'll continue that tradition today. Here in Pantopia is where you can take photos and span time together.
Spanning time. Spanning time.
Old, and he's specifically a green iguana. Really quickly, do I have any Florida residents out in the audience right now? Names any baby could have. That little puggle will stay inside mom's pouch for another 50 days while mom digs her and her little one a den to keep them safe. And speaking of digging, we're going to check out more of his adaptations, which includes his feet and his nails. So you might notice his feet point outwards instead of pointing forwards, and he has some super long nails attached to them. You're absolutely correct. So for tortoises and turtles alike, their shell is a part of their body, the same way your spine is a part of yours. As they grow, their shell continues.
The bartender, and then down here is gonna be the
All right, from the Dragon's Den, I got Merlin's Magic.
Sky Chaser, that's what I got.
Yeah, all right. Your first time trying popping pearls and
It is, it is.
What do you think?
Best drinks I've ever had.
Wow.
It's good. It's very good.
Good job, Tampa Bay. That's a praise coming from this picky eater.
That's true. I am very picky. This is excellent.
Merlin has good magic. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you like the fake scritches. Yeah. Well, that was a successful day at Busch Gardens.
It was. It was.
It's a shame. You did that Williamsburg a few times. You've done a few videos there. What are your thoughts on this place compared to...
It's kind of hard to say because usually when we go to Williamsburg, it's for Hallow Stream. But today was fun. We rode the Rapids ride like 4 times in a row without getting off.
Yeah, it was fun. We got wet. We got soaked.
Had a really good
gorilla.
Had a really good drink. Saw some really cool animals. Saw an animal show.
Yeah.
With trainers. Overall, a good time.
Definitely recommend coming if you're in the Tampa area. And if you're about to depart on a cruise or something and you're looking to kill a day, this is an excellent spot.
Agreed.
And we didn't even do like 60% of the rides, and we still had an awesome time.
That's true.
That's true. That's a good spot.
Yep. So, until next time.
Adventure on. Reviews for rescuers. It's in my eye, dude.
Good.